What's up, everyone? So today is Tuesday, March 22nd, and it's a beautiful day out. My job, my full-time main job, is on spring break right now, and I've been doing some computer stuff at home, but then it's taking like 6 hours to transfer over all of the footage to this new hard drive I just got. It's 85 degrees out. I was like, it's too nice to be at home today. This is kind of a solo-ish mission, because it is me and Higgins here. But as far as like me and the off-road crew, just me today. I'm gonna go up to a pretty popular hike around here, but I'm gonna do it the fun way, and I'll show you all the fun way. So yeah, it's just me and Higgins. We're gonna get some gas and some snacks, maybe some enchiladas for when we get to the trail. And yeah, we'll see y'all when we get to the fun part. This is crazy. Today is March 22nd, right? And I realized it is my high school best friend Ben's birthday today. And he watches the channel. I don't know if you'll see this one, but if you do, happy birthday, Ben. I wish you were here to celebrate. It is like slightly ironic, funny, I don't know if those are the right words, that I'm going up here on your birthday by myself. Because I always tell everyone, like, how do you know this area so well? I say, oh, my high school best friend Ben has basically showed me this whole area, and then yeah, you know, kind of ventured out from there. But I would have not have known about this place if it wasn't for him taking me up here all the time, like on the weekends, in high school, and then when he would come back for college, or come back, you know, like on break from college and stuff, then we would come out here and just explore and stuff. So yeah, I'm super thankful, Ben. I owe this spot to you, basically. Happy birthday, brother. All right, so we are on the trail right now, and I was thinking about pulling over right here to let Higgins out to pee really quick, kind of give him some water, but I just talked to the fire crew down there at the bottom, and they said that there's a dozer on its way down, so I kind of want to get up a little bit farther just so I don't get totally stuck behind it, you know, or in front of it, so I can't pass. We're gonna cruise up here a little bit farther, and then yeah, we'll be still getting to the good, well, I guess we are in the good part. This is one of my favorite parts. And I know what you're thinking, because I kind of thought it too. I was like, Max, aren't you cheating by doing this hike, but you're driving to the top? What are you, an influencer or something? Like, well, yeah, I guess you could kind of technically say I am cheating, but I also feel like I'm hiking in the Jeep too, you know, like getting a little trail time in the Jeep, then I get some trail time in the feet. That's what I'm gonna call this video. Trail time in the Jeep, trail time on the feet. But yeah, just look at Lompoc way over there. Holy smokes. It is a beautiful day. Wow, look at all the wildflowers. Dang, I gotta take a picture. Dang, that's crazy. Wow, look at all of them. Oh, there's the dozer. Let me go by. Okay. Thank you. I heard the beeps and I thought it was the Jeep talking to me for a second. See that mountain way over there? I'll zoom in on editing. But that's what we're gonna hike to the top of. But what's fun is you can Jeep across the whole ridge, and then you just hike the ridge afterwards. It's not cheating if you have a Jeep, right? It's not cheating. I just wanna let that be known. We're hiking with the Jeep, and then we're hiking with our feet. And we're loving every minute of it. Huh, Higgles? All right, so we made it to the trailhead. Now we just got a little easy little hike. It is hot AF out right now, so I'm not too sure if old Higgles will be able to make it. I don't want him to get overheated, so we'll see how far we can get, but it is nice out. It was fun to Jeep the Jeep. Now let's hike the hike. Right, buddy? Oh, Dad, you're so funny. The lens is a little, uh-oh. We got some sunscreen on the lens. Better. That's better. All right, me and the boy child are off. What are you doing, dude? Silly goose. All right, yeah, Higgins and I are off. We're gonna go do this hike the fun way being with the Jeep. And as you can see, it's way back there. I don't know if you can see it or not. But we've left the Jeep and now we're just kind of trailblazing here. This trail isn't really used too terribly much, but thankfully I do have my, my Garmin GPS with this whole thing mapped out, so it shouldn't be too hard for us to find. And this guy is just loving every second of it, just marking away. All right, yeah, you lead the way, buddy. He knows where he's going, right? Sorry, buddy. I'm always just so blown away by like rocks and how they got here and how they look. Like, see how this one's just all slanted and stuff? Like, I know it's coming this way, but you can kind of see the way it's made. That's just so cool to me. Look at the lizard. That's just so cool to me. Like, I want to know more about it, but I don't. That's what's funny. I want to know more about it, but I don't want to spend the time or money to go sit in a class, you know? Like, can you just give me the shortened edition? I'm just gonna make the claim right now. Higgins is looking a little, he's looking a little tired. I don't know if we'll be able to make it this whole hike, because it is really hot out. But just look at the beauty. You doing good back there, buddy? Please tell me there's a jazz concert at the end of this that we're walking to. I can't be so sure about that, dude, but I will carry you if need be. This is a pretty easy hike, so I'm not like worried about necessarily punishing him, so to say, but it is hot and I don't want to overwork him. So we'll see. We'll go at Higgins' pace. It's kind of, this is kind of like hiking with a 5-year-old. Slow and steady and looking at everything. You know, guys, I love my dog more than anything else in this entire world. And poor guy, I don't know how much longer he can make it. Whoa, easy. Easy, dude. All right, let's just carry you for this part. Do you hear him panting like a panter? I don't want to call him a jabroni because he's just being himself. But he's panting like crazy. It is hot out, I'm not gonna lie. It's like 82 degrees. I just don't want to push him past the point where you'll get sick or hurt, or, you know. I don't want to have him like come back home and he's just out for the count for the rest of the days. We'll keep going, but we're 0.20 into this hike now, and we still have over a mile to go, and that's just one way. So I really don't want to hurt Mr. Higgles. And besides, we can just go back to the Jeep, drink some beer, hang out for a little bit, and then yeah, go home, I guess, or maybe go to our favorite brewery. I would like to get to that spot over there though. We are officially 0.31 miles into this hike, and this poor guy, he's trekking right along, but I don't want to hurt him, and we're kind of just hiking at Higgins' pace right now. I'm having fun. I'm happy to be out here. I know he's happy to be out here, but it is like 85, probably low 90s out, and it is warm. So we're kind of just seeing how far Higgins can make it before I decide to turn around and then probably end up carrying him out of here. It's totally fine. I don't have a problem with that. But we were trying to make it to this, like, the top of this really popular mountain around here that everyone loves to go hiking to. So yeah, we're just kind of we're just kind of higgling along here. Just get a look at all these wildflowers. I gotta get in a better spot for this. Crazy, just look at all of them. All the way down the mountain. That's wild. Crazy. Crazy, Higgins. What do you think, buddy? I think I'm over it, Dad. I think I'm over it. All right, gang. Unfortunately, our hike is ending here today, right by these pretty wildflowers. I can tell that Higgins is over it, to say the least. So we're gonna post up here and let him cool down and get some water, and then I'm gonna call it, and we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna start hiking back. It's only gonna be, we're half a mile in, so it'll be a mile total. But this poor guy is tired. I can just tell he's over it, and I'm not gonna push him past the point of him getting hurt or something going wrong with him. So we're gonna hang out here for a bit, enjoy the wildflowers, and yeah. Don't worry, buddy. This is as far as we're gonna go today, okay? All right, let's get a little time lapse of these wildflowers while we chill, and then yeah, we'll be back to the Jeep. All right, gang, we're half mile in. I'm calling it. The poor boy, he is tired, and I don't want to hurt him. I don't want to be one of those people who's like,
I'm gonna hurt my dog for the hike because I gotta get to the end, and my dog loves hiking, and I don't listen to my dog.
That's how they talk in my mind. So yeah, we're getting out of here. We're hiking back to the Jeep, and yeah, we'll see you when we see you, if we see anything interesting. All right, so now we've switched to carry mode. Not because he's like too tired to walk. I mean, don't get me wrong, he's a squirmer. He is pretty tired, but he's just moving at such a snail's pace. I'm just like, dude, come on, let's pick up the pace a little bit. Yeah, sorry, buddy. I'm just gonna carry you for a little bit. We definitely need to get you one of those like doggy backpacks. That'd be pretty freaking sweet. Oh, you wanna walk now? Okay. Okay. Dad. It's cool, Dad. I can walk. I can make it. Higgins, you have a heart of a champion, and I appreciate that. I want to walk out of here, damn it. I know you're freaking recording with the GoPro. I don't want everyone to think I'm some kook. Higgins, no one thinks you're a kook, buddy. Everyone loves you. All right, well, I guess carrying him didn't last too long. It's like he's got his wind back already. Higgins, you realize you just made the clickbaitiest of videos, because now I can use that photo of me, or the still of me carrying you as the thumbnail and say, I had to carry my dog out. But really, it only lasted for like 30 seconds. And look at him. Crushing it, Higgins. You're a champion. Love you, buddy. Let's look at him. He's doing so good. Yeah, you're hiking good, huh, buddy? All these new sniffs. We are back to the Jeep. Whew. Just a mile hike. Took us almost an hour. But hey, I'm just really happy to be out here. Happy to be outside. It's so beautiful. Life's great. Out here with my dog. And yeah, look at that. We hiked to the Jeep. And now off to Fig Brew. One of our dear friends, Chris, he was super sweet. He just Venmo'd me money for lunch. And I was like, shoot. Well, I know where I'm headed after this. All right, Flying 90 out. Thanks for watching. Whew. All right, so no adventure is an adventure, right? Without something breaking. We have a broken link down there. I don't know if I have anything big enough to get that off, but I think I'm just going to let this drag until we, gosh darn it, until we find the right tools.